continue to interfere with the Jubilee political party. They must give us an undertaking that they will not interfere. For example, the Jubilee's General Assembly or convention is scheduled to take place on Monday next week, the 22nd. These are some of the issues that we have raised. Okay.
All right. My name is Emmanuel Toh from KTN News. I have two questions. One, the president yesterday cracked the whip at KEMSA.
Huh?
I'm here, Baba niko hapa. I'm here. Nachunga camera. So, yesterday the president cracked the whip at KEMSA, firing the PS and some members at KEMSA. Do you think, what is your take on that? KEMSA, Kenya Medical Supplies Authority. What's your comment on that? Is the government committed to fighting corruption? Number two, on Sunday and Saturday we saw you with the president in Nyandarua, in Kasarani, and in Nyayo. You had a busy weekend with the president. Does it affect your watchdog role as oversighting the government, and are you planning anything? Thank you.
First question is
KEMSA. The first question is on KEMSA.
KEMSA. Now, KEMSA issue, these are all these issues we talked about, issues of corruption. The government is actually reacting. They're reacting to a very major issue. I don't think that this is the only scandal that they have in KEMSA. I think within a short period of time, you're going to be seeing hemorrhage in this government. But then, you see, you have a government should be run as a government. You have ministers who are charged with these responsibilities. Why are we not seeing ministers? Why is the president the one coming up with the key policy issues in respective ministries? The other day, the president was talking about student loans with the permanent secretary, and there was no minister. And that is in the State House. A major policy statement on education should come from Minister of Education in his ministry. If there's a scandal in KEMSA, there should be Minister for Health, or even there's a permanent secretary for health, medical services. This other one here is just PS for public health. So it raises more questions than it answers.